Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, in today's video, so this video and the next video, I'm going to be playing around with some of the new MUA makeup. And in this video, I'm going to be playing around with the MUA Purist palette. This is one of the newest palettes they've launched. They do have another palette as well. I think it's the Jewel palette. I'll pop it on screen here. It's got more like warm tone kind of palette, and I feel like I've got enough palettes that pretty much look like that, so I really wanted to try this palette out because I just love the purple tones to this palette, and there's a nice brown color in here, so I really wanted to pick up this palette because I've not really got anything like this in my collection, so I really wanted to try this. And I've also seen this new mascara from MUA. This is the Loaded Lash Mascara. I'm going to be trying this on in the video as well and giving you guys my thoughts about this mascara and also giving you my thoughts about this newest MUA palette. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the MUA Purist eyeshadow palette and the MUA Loaded Mascara, just keep watching. Okay guys, let's play around with this MUA Purist palette. Now, excuse the eyebrows, I have just had them done recently, and yeah, I'll put a picture of them on screen here. They were so skinny. Like, she did a really good job tinting them and everything, but I look back at it and I just think they're just a little bit too skinny. So I can't do the bushy eyebrows like I usually can do. So I'm just gonna have to go to my old technique for now with the eyebrows until they grow back a bit thicker. So I'll get them done again because it was my first time doing it, but I'll just not have them as thin next time. No, she did a really good job with it, but yeah, I just think they're just a little bit too thin. So I've just had to get used to sort of filling them in my old way with the eyebrows. So yeah, they'll just have to do for now. Anyway, so with this palette here, can we appreciate the fact that this palette is 100% recyclable? Is it 100%? Well, it says that the actual packaging is made of cardboard, so this is actually recyclable. And you can actually pop the pans out of this palette and you can pop it in a Z palette or something. So this is what the palette looks like. So it's going for definitely more like a purple tone kind of palette. You've got this nice purple brown sort of colour here, and the rest of these are like marble colours and shimmers. So it definitely looks like an everyday sort of soft purple wearable palette, but you can also make it a little bit more smoky if you want to. So these are what the colours look like. What I'm going to do today is I want to do something a little bit soft, so not smoky, but something quite, I don't know, something a little bit soft today. And then next time when I replay around with the palette, I think I'll then emphasise more on like the darker colour and the other colours. But I'm going to aim for more like these sort of colours today, so like these two, maybe that one, and then these sort of like pinky purple tone colours. There is no mirror with this palette, obviously, because making it recyclable. So you've got 3 mattes in the palette, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you've got 7 shimmers. Well, these are more like these ones here are more like marble colours, so they might have a shift of like a different colour. Like this one looks like it's got a pinky sort of rust colour to it, and then this one's like gold and purple, so they might have a shift of like different colours, but we'll see when playing around with this palette. Okay, so I'm going to first start with this sort of light, well, it's sort of like a light purple colour. I'm going to start with this one here. I'm just going to run that in the crease area and just maybe just on the outer edge. And I'm just going to take that just on a, I think this is a Primark brush, it's just a fluffy brush. And yeah, I'm just going to run that in the crease area. So let's grab the colour. Okay, so it is a little bit powdery, it's just a little bit. And yeah, I'm going to start working this in the, it's going to be nothing extreme today. This is just going to be nice, soft, like a nice soft eye look today. Well, so far it's blending extremely well, and you can make this colour as subtle or as buildable as you want. So I'm just building up the colour. Going to take that lighter colour now, which is this one right here. So this is a lighter baby pink colour. I'm just going to grab this Mulan fluffy brush here, and I'm just going to start softening out that lighter pinky purple what we just applied. So it just helps to soften it out a little bit. I love how these two are blending together. It just looks so soft and it looks so wearable. If you wanted like a simple like 2 transition colours in the crease, then these two are so nice together. I dig it. I love how they both blend together. I think they are so, so pretty. I want to take this one. I want to take that colour right there now. And I kind of want to apply that just halfway here, and then use this colour right here and apply that, just bringing it a little bit more across. So like having just 2 colours on the lid basically. Just going to grab the brush I used my concealer with. Just going to grab that marble colour, the darker one. They are a little bit powdery, by the way. They are both, yeah, a little bit powdery. So just bear that in mind. I'm going to start sweeping this on the lid. I haven't wet my brush, it's just got concealer on it. But, ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, that is pretty. Let's see what it's like with my finger. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, the colour definitely is there. Yeah, you just got to build it up a little bit. But, yeah, that colour is there. It's not too intense, but it's just a lovely wash of pink. Just going to go back with that transition colour, the first one. I'm just going to blend out that pink ever so slightly. Like I said, now I'm just going to go in with that other lighter purple colour now. And what brush am I going to grab it on today? Just going to grab it on a smaller flat brush. I'm going to start bringing that halfway across. Ooh, it's got like an icy shift to it. Yeah, it's like a sort of bluey, icy shift. It's really pretty. I don't know why in the pan, it just looks like it's going to be like purple, like a very pale purple with gold, but no, it's coming out a little bit more icy. Just went in with the flat brush as well, just to blend it in with that lighter colour, and they blended in amazingly. They blended so well. So I'm just going to take a little pencil brush now. Just going to take this champagne colour here. Just going to apply that in the inner corner and the brow bone. I'm going to really go to town with that actually. I'm just going to apply quite a lot of it on there. A bit up here. So just going to go in with that first colour, the first colour I used. And just going to go back in with that same pencil brush. And I'm going to run that colour just underneath the lower lash line. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this eye look. I think it's just so pretty. It's so simple. It's very wearable as well. Like you've got that hint of pop of colour, but without it not being too much. I'm really, really obsessed. I think this palette is really good. Next time I'll have to retry the palette again and play around with these colours here to see if these colours are any good. But so far, guys, I'm kind of liking the palette. I think this is so good, and it's so affordable as well. Cruelty-free, vegan, and majority of the packaging is recyclable. So I think this is a really good palette. If you're after like a very pink natural palette with just that little hint of darkness, so not too much, I mean, you could use that darker colour as like a liner if you wanted to. So if this is the sort of colours that you're looking for, then you probably will really, really like this palette. I'm also going to test out the mascara as well in this video. This is the MUA Loaded Lash Mascara, and it's enriched with vitamins E and B5. And it also says on the back of it, enriched volume mascara that helps to condition lashes and boost thickness for ultimate impact. So this is what the wand looks like. So it's sort of like a caterpillar wand where it's very curved. So you've got bigger bristles on one side and then smaller bristles on the other. And this is a plastic wand as well, so this isn't bristles, this is plastic. Okay, I've got high hopes for this mascara. This mascara looks really good. So let's start the first coat. So I'm just gonna apply it to my lashes a couple of times. Okay, let's try a second coat. And then last but not least, let's try a third coat. Okay, well, this mascara's got potential. It's not the worst mascara I've tried. It's very natural, but it's very separating. It's not the worst mascara I've tried, but I'll bring it closer so you can see. You can see by my lashes, like, it's natural, but they are separating, so I don't really see any clumpiness on my lashes. So I'm gonna wait for one of them to dry, and I'm gonna see if I can build it up dry and see if it works better. So I'm gonna take the mascara wand. I'm gonna take the one with the smaller bristle end, and I'm gonna see what it's like on my lower lashes. Yeah, it's the same kind of deal with the lower lashes. Like, it has captured them, but yeah, they are very natural. They're not very volumizing. So I think this eye's dry now, so I'm going to go in just with one coat and see if it's doing anything. See if we can build it up when it's dry. Okay, that's doing something. Yeah, it definitely is building up the volume for sure while the mascara is dry. But I definitely can't build up a second coat on it, or it will just go too clumpy. So I think that's as much I'm going to get out of that mascara. If you just put on the absolute first coat, wait for it to dry, then put on a second coat, I think you'd be able to get a little bit more volume out of it. So yeah, I'm just going to make it match the other side now. But I think that's the best way to wear this mascara. But if you want a separating natural mascara, you will like this one. But if you don't mind putting one coat on, waiting for it to dry, and putting a second coat on just to add a little bit extra volume, then you might like this mascara. So it's adding a little bit of volume, but not too much volume to the lashes. So it's not the worst mascara I've tried, but it's not the greatest either. I prefer the one in the green tube. But yeah, I don't mind this mascara. I think this mascara is okay. And if it does flake or smudge any time in the day, I will let you know in the description bar below. But yeah, it's not a terrible mascara. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.